This video is about what not to do. If you want something professionally done, you pay to get it done. Hello, my friends. This is a quick video. 2 months ago, I got my 3000 GT 1993 repainted at Maaco. Decent job, but a lot better than the way it was. And the main reason I had it repainted is because the hood had lots of dents from rocks, like lots of chips. Chips, yep, because it got hit by rocks. Okay, so it's painted, and so what I'm going to do to avoid the same thing from recurring, I bought okay, there's they call them clear bra, B-R-A, clear bra. So I'm going to put it on the hood, partially on the hood, so it can look good. And I will do that, and once I'm done, and I'll show you what it looks like. First thing, I washed it. Make sure it's clean. I mean, just the hood. Well. Sadly enough, look how it turns out. No, I bought the wrong type of Clebra. Yeah, this one is not stretchable, and I couldn't get it around the curve. And then when I tried to stretch it out, and we got all these crisps, whatever it is. So basically, this video turns out to be what not to do when you're trying to put the Clebra against or on your hood. So what I will do is, for now, I'm just gonna leave it, and then wait a few months and buy one that is a lot better, one I can stretch. And I paid I think almost $60 for this. Okay, almost $60. and I did the one on a different vehicle, and it was a lot better. And yeah, I can believe this. Can believe this is the second time, and then this second time looked worse than the first time. But anyway, this is lesson learned, and I will do it a second time, but I will not pay because they want about $350 at those place where they tint your vehicle. They want $300, $350. All right. Thank you for watching What Not to Do.